Hey, what's up guys? Timothy Williams Jr. here. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start a photo booth business. I'm going to be sharing information that I learned from one of my mentors on how they started their photo booth business. So stick to the end of this video so you can learn how to start a photo booth business. It's either a side hustle or even sometimes to replace your main source of income. The photo booth business is a lot similar to the vending machine business. I do have a video on how to start your own vending machine business. Link will be down below. Some benefits to starting a photo booth business are low startup cost, good money, highly scalable, flexible schedule or lifestyle, and then easy to train staff. If you're looking for a new business to get into, the photo booth business can be easy for you because it's low startup and also you don't need a lot of time. The money to be made in the photo booth business is entirely up to you. The more you put in work, the more money you can earn. You can make a good amount of money in this business. Let's say you're booked one weekend for 48 weeks. That means you're getting 4 weeks of vacation. At $1,500 each event, you're gonna make at least $70,000. Yes, of course, you have gas and a bunch of different other factors that it's gonna cost you to run this business, but $70,000 for an entry business is not too bad. But before we begin on how you can make that money, we're gonna need to break down the 5 steps on how you can start this photo booth business. Number 1 is to define your target market. Who's gonna be your client base? There are a bunch of different clients that you can attract. You have weddings, you have clubs, graduation parties, just to name a few. There are going to be a bunch of different clients that you can attract. So find out what's your client base and who you're going to attract. And then also find out the competition. There are going to be thousands of photo booth businesses in the world, but find out who your competition is in your area. Once you find your client base and your competition, now you're going to know how much your competition is charging and then also your client base. Once you have those 2 factors, now you're going to figure out what's the profitability for your business. Now you know how much the competition is charging as well as what your client base is. Once you have those 2 things, now you can set your prices and find out how much it's going to cost you to run each event and then how much profit you're going to make. Number 2 is to build a budget. A photo booth business is going to start anywhere from $3,000 all the way up to $20,000. So however much your budget is going to be to start this business depends on what type of machine you're going to get. You have the traditional, the freestanding, the mirror, and then one of the most popular ones that you've been seeing a lot on social media is going to be the 360 degree. Once you find out what photo booth setup you want to use for your business, now you're going to be able to build a budget based off of whatever photo booth setup you decide to choose. Number 3, which is one of the most important keys in the 5 steps, is going to be your business model. Building a business model is going to be able to set yourself apart from the competition. There are thousands of photo booth businesses out in this world, so set yourself apart from the others. The first step in your business model is going to be your mission statement. What does your business do? Express your vision and your core values of your business. So let's use McDonald's as an example. McDonald's is to be our customers' favorite place and way to eat and drink. That's just McDonald's mission statement. So get a mission statement that makes sense for you, your values, and your vision of your photo booth business. Number 2 is selling proposition. What sets your photo booth business apart from the thousands of other photo booth businesses that they have in the world? Do your research and find out what your photo booth business can do to set itself apart from any other photo booth business. Number 3 is going to be your target market. Identify what your ideal client is and then find out how many clients are in your area. Number 4, and the way you're actually going to set yourself apart from the others to make money, is your marketing. How are you going to set yourself apart from the thousands of other photo booth businesses, and how are you going to attract those clients to come to you rather than come into a photo booth business that's been in business for a while? Number 5, and the last step in the business model, is to crunch the numbers and figure out your projections. Once you've identified the setup you've decided on, now you're going to ask yourself, how much will it cost? And then how many events do I need to book to break even? How much is this business going to cost on a daily basis, a monthly basis, as well as a yearly basis? And then you're able to figure out your projections for your business. Number 4 is to research equipment. Once you've identified which photo booth setup you decide on, whether the 360, the mirror, or even the standalone, now it's time to shop around and order your photo booth setup. A few websites that you guys can check out are Photo Booth Supply Co., Amazon, and revospin.com. Number 5, and the final step in starting your photo booth business, is building relationships. I don't care what business you're in. You need to build relationships to be able to grow your business. It can take you from 0 to 100 just by building relationships. You need to hand out business cards at events, weddings, wherever your client base is. network and build relationships with potential clients. 2 things my mentor told me do not do when starting a photo booth business. Number 1 is to don't do events outside, because chances are you're dealing with the weather, you're dealing with things breaking. Just do not do it. Just avoid that at all costs. Do all of your events inside and avoid the headache of dealing with the weather and a bunch of different other things. Number 2 is to never do events for free. I laughed when he told me this, actually, because why? How are you supposed to get your clients? How are you supposed to show them examples of your work? But a great suggestion that he had was, when you get your photo booth, set it up at your house. Throw a party and have the photo booth set up at your house. You guys can get drinks. You guys can just have fun and take pictures. You're able to use those pictures to promote your business. You can put them on your website. You can put them on business cards. It's just a great way that you can have fun and incorporate your business, and also show your clients about your business so you're able to promote it. If you enjoyed this video, please just make sure to smash that like button. Let's get this video picked up in the YouTube algorithm. As always, also comment below if you're thinking about starting this business. Comment any questions you guys do have. I do have a mentor who's in this business, so I do have great knowledge, and I can reach out to him and answer the questions that you guys are asking. And leave a comment below on any video suggestions you guys do have, whether business, investing, in personal finance. Subscribe if you didn't already. And also, as always, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you guys so much.